Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay X-Meme, kung saan ay ito po ay nami-maintain po niya ang kanyang ambitious target na 1,000 times. Kaya yan, at na-hit po niya yung kanyang all-time high, sapagkat ang nagdulot po nito ay nagsunog po yung kanyang team developers ng 44 million na X-Meme token. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Yan, sabi po rito ay X-Meme, a fast-growing meme coin project on the XRP ledger, has printed a parabolic run after buying buyback and burning a significant parts of its supply. Yan, ang X-Meme token po ay mula po ito sa project ng XRP Ledger or XRPL. Yan, meme coin po ito. Yan, meme coin project. At nagkaroon po siya ng parabolic run nitong mga nakalipas lamang na araw. At ang nagdulot po nito ay yung kanilang buyback. Yan, nagkaroon po ng buyback at ang nagsagawa po rito ay ang mga team developers mismo ng X-Meme token na ito. Ayan, bumili sila ng malaki tapos sinunog nila ito. Kaya ayan, nagkaroon siya ng parabolic run. According to an update from the project's official X handle, the team completed a total buyback of 44.2 million X-Meme, worth approximately 4,000 XRP at the time of burn. Notably, the burning acquired X-Meme has lent credence to the token's plan to deflate its circulating supply. Kaya yan po yung amount ng halaga ng X-Meme token na binili ng team developers ng X-Meme token. Yan, 44.2 million ang laki po niyan. At ang equivalent po nito sa XRP ay 4,000. Yan, binili nila, buyback, tapos sinunog nila. Yan, para mabawasan yung supply nito, circulating supply nito. At syempre kung pag nasunog yan, nababawasan yung supply, syempre tataas yung demand, tataas yung kanyang market price. Kaya yan, nagkaroon siya ng parabolic run. Yan, happy Sunday, happy buyback, happy burn. Kaya yan, may kumita po rito yung mga nakahold dyan ng mga X-Meme coin. December buyback just took place. A total of 44.2 million coins worth 4K XRP have been bought and immediately burned. The new X-Meme total supply is now even lower, 34.24 billion coins. Kaya yan na, bumaba yung total supply ng X-Meme. Kaya let's continue our road to 1,000 times. Nothing will stop us. Kaya yan, talagang gusto nilang paakyatin ng, or palaguin ang X-Meme yan, ng 1,000 times. Yan, baka masusundan pa yan, baka magsusunog po ulit sila uli. Kaya yan, as confirmed by X-Meme, it currently has a total of 34.24 billion coins, a relatively fair quantity compared to other meme coins around. X-Meme price moves in tandem. As a new token with a growing community and ecosystem, X-Meme is notably a parabolic run with the price notably at its all-time high. Data from Magnetic Dex places the price of X-Meme at tatlong zeros, 0.0002882 XRP or $0.0001825. As a result, the 44.2 million incinerated X-Meme tokens are now worth 12,738 XRP. Kaya yan po yung nasunog. Ngayon ay nagkakahalaga po yung 44.2 million na X-Meme token ng yan, nagkakahalaga po sana ito ng 12,738 na XRP. According to the community member, Broker, X-Meme recorded an outstanding 15 times growth after breaching the 0.0001 resistance point. The token is up by 1,044% over the past week. Kaya yan, ang taas po niyan. 1,000% yung kanyang inangat nitong nakalipas lamang na linggo na ito. Kaya yan. We did it again. Yan, sabi po ni Broke Broker, we broke the big resistance at 0.0001 and headed for a 15 times. I will choose 50 times as the new target, which is 0.0005. Currently, we need 113k XRP to reach that point. Kaya yan. Ayan yung parabolic. Ito yung parabolic run ni XMIM. Yan, ang tindi po. Yan, ang bilis ng kanyang pag-akyat. While the growth is significant, XMIM's target is for the token to soar as high as 1,000 times shortly. However, whether it can achieve this remains to be seen. XMIM already has a good head start in its bid to achieve this milestone. As one of the pioneering meme coin on XRPL, the sentiment is positive and the first mover advantage might play as a factor in its future ambitions. Ayan, talagang target po nila na magkaroon ng 1,000 times si XMIM, pero hindi pa rin po tayo nakakasiguro kung magagawa nga ba nila ito or hindi. As reported earlier by the Crypto Basic, XMIM is also getting a reasonable shout out from top influencers within the XRP community system, further helping to amplify its reach. While it might not have as much traction as other established meme coins like Fluky and Shiba Inu, the current performance shows XMIM is off a good start. Ayan. May mga nagpro-promote po ng mga kilalang influencers dito kay XMIM. Yan, mga influencers po mula sa XRP ecosystem. Pero ayan, maganda po. Siyempre, nag-uumpisa pa lamang si XMIM at hindi po siya kasing laki ng Fluky Inu at saka Shiba Inu, pero yung kanyang start or yung umpisa ay napakaganda po. Ayan, biruin mo naman, nag-parabolic run po siya. XMIM also moved to third place as the most traded coin on XRPL. Ayan, most traded coin po siya. Siya po ang sumunod kay GateHub. Utilities to watch. Though XMIM started its journey as a fan token, the plan remains to grow bigger in the future. The team has teased plans to launch a non-fungible token collection shortly, adding to its utility. Ayan, yan po yung parang unang magiging utility ni XMIM. Kasi yan nga, isa nga siyang meme coin. Yan, fan token lamang po siya. At mukhang ito ay para lumago ito ay maglalabas po sila ng kanyang utility at yung kanilang unang utility po rito ay ang NFT collection. The expectation of XMIM is growing by the day, especially now that it is ranked the second biggest token on XRP ledger by trading volume according to XRPL.2. Ayan. Kaya mabilis po yung paglago ng XMIM. Kaya ayan, sa mga nakapasok po rito, nakabili sa mababang presyo ng XMIM token na ito kay XRP Ledger, ay ayan, laki po ng kinita nila. Biro mo naman, sa loob lamang ng isang linggo ay 1,000+%. Yan yung kanyang binigay na ROI or return of investment. Kaya ayan po si XMIM. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ng aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.